This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. All brick ranch conveniently located between Greenbrier and Great Bridge. Recently updated, refinished hardwood floors, fresh paint, stainless steel and black appliances, replacement windows. Beautiful landscaping in backyard with storage shed and large deck. Sunroom with terrazzo tile, wood burning or electric fireplace in family room with built-in shelving. Quiet community. Ready to move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.